All right, here's a long problem. So as always, when they give you a paragraph of text, you want to pull out the information line by line. So let's just go through, read it line by line, and see what info we can pull out and write down. So it says a company offers its salespeople two different weekly compensation plans. Salespeople on Plan X earn $1,000 plus a 10% commission on their sales each week. Okay, so let's write that down. X equals $1,000 plus 10%. And then it says Plan Y, salespeople in Plan Y earn 500 plus a 20% commission. Okay, Y, they earn 500 plus a 20% commission. And they want to know which inequality models the amount in sales each week, D, for which D dollars for which salespeople on Plan Y earn more than salespeople on Plan Y. And notice they give us two breakpoints here, one at 5,000 and one at 1,500. So let's see what happens at 1,500. So if the amount they sell is 1,500, let's look at X. So the salesperson on Plan X will earn $1,000 plus 10% of 1,500. So we just move the decimal over 1. So 1,500 becomes 150. And that's going to be 1,150. Salesperson on Plan Y will earn $500 plus 20%. Now, all I need to do is take the 10% and double it to get 20%, right? So 150 times 2 is 300. So salesperson on Plan Y will earn 800. And clearly we can see at 1,500 that salesperson Y is earning more than salesperson X is earning more than salesperson Y. Let's see what happens if they sell $5,000 worth of whatever they're selling. So salesperson on the X plan will earn 1,000 plus 10%. So 10% of 5,000 is 500. So that gives them 1,500. Person on Plan Y will earn 500 plus 20%. Let's double that 500 to 1,000 for the 20%. And we can see, oh, they also earn 1,500. So you can see that, so 0, 1,500, 5,000. So someone who's winning at 1,500, right? The Plan X is earning more than Plan Y up to 1,500. And you see right at 5,000 is where the break-even point, right? So salesperson X and Y earn the same amount when they're selling 1,500. So X wins all the way up to 5,000, and then after 5,000, I bet Y will take over because that 20% of more than $5,000 is going to kick in and be more than the $1,000 base that they get there. So now we need to figure out, so we know the key is the 5,000, right? So, but is the answer D is less than 5,000 or D is greater than 5,000? Remember that X is beating out Y, right? Up to 5,000. So anywhere where they sell less than $5,000 worth of stuff, X will earn more money on that commission structure. So it should be A, less than 5,000. What's the takeaway? Try it out, right? Don't try and think it through. Just make up numbers. In this case, we use the breakpoints they gave us in the answer choices and just look to see what happened, right? We didn't need to guess. We're just like, oh, X makes 1,250 or 1,150 in the first scenario, 1,500 in the next scenario. Y makes 800 in the first scenario and 1,500 in the second scenario. So don't try and think it through hypothetically. Plug in numbers and see what the results are.